Good morning, students. In today's video, I will teach you a very interesting chapter, The Quest for an Ideal Student, written by Radhakrishnan Pillai.
We will complete the chapter in 2 days, and in both these days,
read the text again and again. Revise the chapter thoroughly for better understanding. By the end of the video, you will be able to narrate summary of the chapter, tell meanings of difficult words and phrases as used in the chapter. You will be able to answer the related questions and back exercises of the chapter. Now, I am going to tell you the summary of the chapter. Once upon a time, Magadh, the largest Indian kingdom of Chanakya's time, was ruled by Dhananand, who was an irresponsible and self-centered leader. His irrelevant remarks during a discussion in court annoyed Chanakya and forced him to leave the court. Humiliated Chanakya took an oath to replace Dhananand with a better man. Chanakya was a teacher in the University of Takshila, and he had many intelligent and resourceful students, but none of them was capable of being a king. Chanakya's search for the new king ended unexpectedly when he came across some boys playing at a distance in a forest. The boys were enacting a scene where the king, surrounded by a council of ministers, was holding court for a few commoners. The king was expected to speak and give judgment on the complaints presented by his ministers. The king listened to the problems of the convicts. He asked the workman of a factory why he was asking for the wages for the days he had not worked on. The workman replied and informed him that he had been working in the factory for many years. He was not well, so he could not complete his work, but the loss of wages would put his family under immense financial pressure. The king discussed the case with his ministers and announced a new law where workers would get holidays with pay for times like those. Chanakya's quest for an ideal student came to an end there. Now open your book Roots and Wings at page 145. Chapter 11, The Quest for an Ideal Student. We will discuss the get set of the chapter first. Match the disciples with their gurus. The word disciples mean students. Arjun, Dronacharya, Swami Vivekanand, Ram Krishna Paramhans, Shivaji, Samarth Ramdas, Maharishi Dayanand, Swami Virjanand. Now let us start with the reading of the chapter. Mark the word meanings and phrases side by side. Read and enjoy. Just as every student dreams of finding an ideal teacher, every teacher too is in search of an ideal student, says Anonymous. The word ideal means role model. Magadh, the largest Indian kingdom of Chanakya's time, was ruled by Dhananand, the 9th king of the Nanda dynasty. The word dynasty means a family of rulers. He was an irresponsible and self-centered leader. The word self-centered means selfish. Despite the good advice of his ministers, he followed his own whims and fancies. The word whims means desires and the word fancies means dreams. Once getting increasingly angry at the king's irrelevant remarks during a philosophical discussion, Chanakya decided to leave the court of Dhananand. The word irrelevant means unimportant. The word remarks means comments. Philosophical means logical. At the king's irrelevant remarks means
राजा की अप्रासंगिक टिप्पणियों पर.
Judging this as an insult to his throne, Dhananand expelled Chanakya from the palace. The word expelled means dismissed. Humiliated and furious Chanakya took an oath to dethrone the arrogant king and replace him with a better man. The word humiliated means insulted, furious means very angry, oath means promise, dethrone means to remove from the throne, and arrogant means egoistic. But who would be the ideal king? Now, in these paragraphs, the author says that once Magad, the largest Indian kingdom of Chanakya's time, was ruled by Dhananand, who was an irresponsible and self-centered leader. His irrelevant remarks during a discussion in the court annoyed Chanakya and forced him to leave the court. Dhananand expelled Chanakya from the palace. Humiliated Chanakya took an oath to replace Dhananand with a better man. Now, which was the largest kingdom in Chanakya's time? Magad was the largest kingdom in Chanakya's time. Who was the ruler of Magad kingdom? Dhananand was the ruler of Magad kingdom. What kind of ruler was Dhananand? Dhananand was an irresponsible and self-centered ruler. What made Chanakya look for an ideal student to be the king of Magad as a replacement for King Dhananand? Dhananand's irrelevant remarks during a philosophical discussion made Chanakya to look for an ideal student to replace Dhananand.
I hope you have understood the first two paragraphs
and the questions related to it. Now, let us read further. As the guru of Earth Shastra, the science of politics and good governance, in the University of Takshila, at that time, Chanakya had many intelligent and resourceful students. The word resourceful means helpful. But none of them had the potential to be the ideal king. However, he continued his search. The word potential means ability. One day, Chanakya's search ended unexpectedly when he came across some boys playing at a distance.
The word unexpectedly means suddenly.
Across some boys playing at a distance means कुछ दूरी पर खेल रहे कुछ लड़कों के सामने. Often, when watching children left to their own devices, it is possible to understand their attitude, teamwork, cooperation, decision-making abilities, and leadership skills. Now, to understand their attitude means उनके दृष्टिकोण को समझने के लिए cooperation means to work together. The children were enacting a scene where the king, flanked by a council of ministers, was holding court for a few commoners who stood before him. Enacting means performing. Flanked means to be on each side. Commoners means local people. Now, in these paragraphs, the author says that Chanakya was a teacher in the University of Takshila, and he had many intelligent and resourceful students. But none of them was capable of being a king. Chanakya's search for a new king ended unexpectedly when he came across some boys playing at a distance in a forest. The boys were enacting a scene where the king, surrounded by a council of ministers, was holding court for a few commoners. Now, who was Chanakya? Chanakya was the guru of Earth Shastra in the University of Takshila. What were the children doing? The children were enacting a scene where the king was holding a court for the commoners. I hope you have understood the summary and the first page of the chapter. Now do the related back questions and exercises and plan page 146 and 147 of chapter 11, The Quest for an Ideal Student. Thank you.